Now for Utah's most accurate forecast with Alana Brophy, Weather Rate certified 10 years in a row.
Plenty of sunshine throughout much of the state. A little bit of cloud cover in the north, but we start in eastern Utah. That Moab camera really pretty. 57 is where we topped out today. Over in Moab, we could see 60 degrees sneak in there. Plenty of sunshine. We're wrapping February. We're going to take a look at those statistics because they are noteworthy. Our warmth is holding on as we make it through our Tuesday and head into Wednesday. We've got to talk about the chance of wet weather and a pattern shift that brings some promise. And we start with February in Salt Lake City. We see the cloud cover kind of moving through for the first day of March. Haze is out there, but we look back at February and it was the third driest February on record for Salt Lake City. You've heard me talk about dry conditions quite a bit, but when you look at these precipitation numbers, it tells you we're more than an inch at a deficit there. Only got half of the snow that we typically get. And it was cooler. Yeah, that cold week with temperatures way below average impacted our average temperature. And that's not good to see. As you look at February precipitation, it was really the last week that brought in some moisture. Other than that, it was fairly quiet out there, and these weren't whoppers of a system. Dry conditions combining that with January puts us at the driest January, February on record in Salt Lake ever. Yeah, we need some wet weather. We're going to get some. We don't get it right now because of this high pressure that's in control. Few clouds sneaking underneath the ridge of high pressure in the north, and we will see partly cloudy skies as we get through the rest of tonight. Temperatures right now in the 40s and 50s, upper 50s in Salt Lake. We've got some 60s in the central portion of the state and low 70s down there in St. George. Along the Wasatch Front, we're going to see those temperatures remaining mild as we get through the evening hours, dropping into the 40s. Pretty mild conditions out there, and we expect that with high pressure. We also expect air quality concerns. We talked about at the top of the hour who's dealing with moderate air and the same areas. We'll see that into tomorrow. We've got unhealthy air possible for the eastern side of the state as we head into our Wednesday. Northwestern corner of Utah, seeing the possibility of some moderate air. Clear skies out there tonight for a bulk of central and southern Utah. Few clouds sneaking through the north. Tomorrow, we warm it up even more so. Yeah, we went upper 50s today. Get ready for the 60s. On deck for your Wednesday, we will see plenty of sunshine and fairly quiet conditions. We start to notice some changes heading into Thursday. It will be mild, but the breeze will start to pick up, and that's ahead of what you're seeing on the fringe of your screen. Some wet weather coming in. This is why we're looking forward to this storm. The Thursday setup brings two areas of low pressure into the west, and gosh, we really want that. It means wet weather potential with rain, and then rain transitioning to snow, which our mountains would love to pick up some snow, and we'd even love it here in the valley. 50s and 60s, it doesn't seem likely when you look at daytime highs like that heading into tomorrow, but a cold front will drop our numbers. 40s, 50s, and 60s on the eastern side of the state, the basin and Castle Country a little socked in with inverted conditions. 60s along the I-15 corridor, and low 70s to mid 70s throughout Washington County. So that is going to be a mild day where those 70s hold steady, and then the rain rolls in, and this does include southern Utah. It's going to be a statewide potential for wet weather. Temperatures tumble into the 50s. With a chance of rain Friday and into Saturday. Yes, this is going to impact your weekend, so a heads up here. I know you're getting a little bit of spring fever. Meteorological spring starts today, so the record keeping we're keeping an eye on. By Friday, we get rain here in the valley, and that's going to be a mix of rain and snow heading into Saturday. Cold air should be around by Sunday, so the precipitation we receive should be snow. Chance lingers into next week, and those temperatures drop back down to the 40s, so we get a taste of the warmth, but chilly air is right around the corner. To stay on top of the forecast, just download the ABC4 Weather app.